Okay, so I honestly didn't want to spend any more time on this, but I felt like it was important to document um, something I sort of discovered today because it's new and I thought it's important to document everything I found, whether or not I decide to publish it later on. Okay, so the first thing is this recent thread, this one right here. So this was published 1 hour ago on June 23rd, 2022. And I believe this is the first time he published it. I can check that by with Twitter search with, let's say, this string right here, just like that. Um, maybe I'll use a longer string here, just like that. Okay, like that. Well, it looks like he used a similar string before, but it was May 9th, all this year. And then the original article, what I believe to be an original article, is this one that was published in 2017, April 25th. So it's like a 5-year-old article or GitHub repo, whatever you want to call it. And it seems like he paraphrased some of them, didn't copy the entire thing completely. It's 12 things here, 7 tips here, and so on. But there are a lot of copy and paste going on. And if this was the only thing, I wouldn't have made this video. But let me just quickly go through some of it just to show you sort of my motivation behind this. So if you look at this part, being involved in open source project will strengthen your development skills. That's the original. Strengthen your development skills. Get your hands-on experience working on teams and projects. Get you hands-on experience working on teams and projects. Let you meet and network with other developers. Let you meet and network with other developers. So as you can see, like this is straight up copy and paste. And if you go through these two articles, you see that there are a lot of instances where he copied, where he copied and pasted like straight up from the original article. But again, if this was the only thing that I found, I wouldn't have made this video because it's not. I don't think it's like strong enough for me to kind of motivate myself to make this video. The thing that I found kind of even more strange, a lot more strange than that, is from this one, this page. So, I'm on his profile, went to this link. He has a bunch of links here, went to LinkedIn. It's like a straightforward process, right? First of all, no picture. Okay. I mean, I guess that's fine. Like some people don't like to have pictures on, social media. I understand that. But the thing I found is this description. So I ended up finding this other person who I think is a legit person. He might not be, who knows, but to me, he seems a lot more legit. So let me explain why. So first of all, let's look at the description here. Okay, let me see if I can pull up the whole description. I'm just refreshing just to try to pull up the whole description. Oh yeah, see more here. Okay. So Parsa says, I am a blockchain developer. I love to learn by implementation. Restricting myself by being language-oriented is not something I believe in, and so on. And this is the same thing here. Straight up copy and paste again. I love to learn by implementation, restrict myself by being language oriented is not something I believe in. Rather, so I feel like I could even just like copy this thing, and then yeah, it's exactly the same text. So the only difference is like I am blockchain developer. That's what Parser says. I am a software developer. That's what Abel says, assuming that's his name. So let's see. Here, talking about the things that I'm skilled in, I have 3+ years of experience in software development. Talking about things that I'm skilled in, I have 6+ years of experience in blockchain development. So yeah, you can see he changed this slightly. And then here, this might be the exact same thing. So let's see. It might be slightly different again. So let's see. My interest lies in decentralized finance, blockchain development. My interest lies in decentralized finance, blockchain development. I have also worked in public EVM-based chains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain. So yeah, I guess this part is exactly the same. Then the later half, it's changed just a little bit. And then here, same thing. I'm an expert in Solidity. Just this paragraph right here. And then when it comes to full stack web development, okay, that might be slightly different. Let's see this one, Node.js. Okay, so we have Node.js, and then Parsa, I think, says just Python, and then Abel, assuming that's his name, says JavaScript, React framework, Golang, and Rust. So he added a bunch of stuff here. My expertise lies in front-end technology as well, like React.js. My expertise lies in front-end technologies as well, like React.js and Next.js. So looks like he added it, a few more things here. So why do I think Parsa is the legit guy and not Abel? Well, picture is one thing, but I guess pictures could be faked. But another thing is, of course, the fact that Abel on his Twitter profile clearly copied a lot of other things, not just LinkedIn profile. So that's one huge red flag. And then the other things are this experience. Like, to me, it doesn't quite make sense. So let's see here, right? So from 2018 to 2020, he's doing a master's degree, okay, in somewhere in Australia, I think. And then 2018 to 2020, he's also a front-end developer full-time at Amazon. And then he's a full-stack developer full-time at Netflix in 2020 to 2021 while he's doing PhD. Like, I mean, I guess that's humanly possible, but to me, I just find like all of this strange. Like, if this was the only thing, I would say, okay, he's a really impressive guy. But combining all of these, just the whole thing to me is a sketch. I don't know if there's a way to like verify who wrote the description first, but I guess one thing we could do is we could approach Parsa or even LinkedIn, and then see if they have anything to say about this or stuff like that. But again, I don't know if I want to like go public with this, if I want to like play the police, because I honestly don't know like if this is important enough for me to spend any more of my time on. Like, but this is something I noticed quickly, so I just wanted to make this quick video.